Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What is glass hair? Now most of us covet shiny, healthy looking hair, but the glass hair trend takes it all to another level. Glass hair is an ultra sleek and extremely polished hairstyle which gives high gloss and mirror-like finish. Now if you can imagine a ultra sleek, extremely smooth, impeccably shiny, luminous hair which reflects light like a well-polished mirror. That's the glass hair trend, a trend that is turning heads around the globe. Well, the good news is that we all can achieve glass hair trend by using the right products and a bit of know-how. Now the first step is to wash your hair with a hydrating, shine boosting shampoo and a well-nourishing conditioner or a hair mask. Now this will lay the foundation for a glossy, smooth finish. I highly recommend the Nexus Pro-Mend Repair Shampoo and Treatment Mask. First of all, let's please appreciate the packaging. These are very powerful products. This brand has almost 40 years of expertise in protein science. These products give a very luxurious experience. They have highly sensorial textures and irresistible fragrances. The hair care transfuses 1 trillion proteins that refill damaged cortex and cuticles by replenishing lost proteins and repairing 2 years of damage in just one single use. With every application, protein loss is reduced by up to 80%, making the hair 12 times stronger, and the lipid transfusion smoothens the hair while giving it that shine and preventing future damage. Now, the second thing that we all need to remember is that brushing dry and frizzy hair can lead to a lot of hair fall and increased frizz. Instead, use a white tooth comb to gently detangle your hair when it's wet. This method is gentler and more effective in a hair care routine for dry and frizzy hair. Remember, before you reach out to any heating tool for your hair, you need to apply a really nice hair serum. The Nexus Pro-Mend Oil Resurrection is so good. The protein and lipid transfusion repairs severe damage and just brings back your hair to virgin state in just 6 drops. The serum is light as water, is powerful, which stays as a 72 hours lasting luxury. With 62% bond generation, it smoothens, strengthens and rebuilds hair bonds, combats roughness, dryness, breakage, and not to forget, hair shines like 24 karat gold. Now just use a brush or a comb and a dryer and just smooth out your hair for a good blowout. Focus on directing the air downward to encourage the hair cuticles to lay flat, which enhances the reflective quality of glass hair. Now comes a very crucial step in achieving glass-like finish. Part your hair and using a high-quality flat iron, work in small sections and glide the flat iron slowly down each section of hair. To seal the deal and a final dose of radiant shine, apply a few drops of the Nexus Pro-Mend Oil Resurrection through the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. And remember, a little goes a long way here. Glass hair isn't just a trend, it is a statement of sophistication and confidence. With using just the right products and the right techniques, you can make this coveted look a part of your everyday style. I will have all the product links in the description box below, so check them out and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!